How are you feeling?
I'm good. So my right shoulder has been bothering me for a little over a week. The first couple of days the pain was pretty bad. I think I did some heavy bench presses and then I slept on my shoulder and then it was hurting pretty bad for a couple of days. And now the pain is diminished, but I still am restricted. Like I'm not able to quite lift my arm all the way up.
All right, Katie, we're going to go ahead and check your shoulder range of motion. Go ahead and bring both of your arms up over your head. Stop when you feel any pain. Okay, a lot of decreased range of motion in that right shoulder. Do a leg check here, and it's shorter on the right. As I bring your legs up, it goes long here. Good, relax your hips down. Good, drop that shoulder back.
Oh, that felt good.
Relax.
Oh, that felt so good. Oh, that feels so good. Oh.
Now drop your head over to the left.
Oh.
Relax your arm there. Perfect. You see how it feels restricted right there?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and reach both of those arms up overhead again.
That's nuts. That's crazy.
All right, that is way better.
Wow.
All right, Katie, how are you feeling after your adjustment?
I'm feeling super good.
Yeah?
Really happy about my range of motion.
You noticing
Pretty
anything different else?
I just feel looser. Like I don't feel as restricted. And then the adjustments that you did for my back, I feel like really, really good, honestly.
Awesome. It's
Yeah.
great to hear.